Thanks to AI, our tasks have become much easier. Now we can leverage artificial intelligence to earn wealth by creating animated kids stories and uploading them to a YouTube channel. Today I'll guide you through easy steps to create fantastic animated kids stories that will be simple for you. Let's kick things off by heading to ChatGPT and typing, I want to generate an animated cartoon movie about a young modern boy having an adventurous experience in the jungle. Please write a story. ChatGPT will then generate a story, and for our animated movie, we'll proceed to generate images based on prompt. Type, I want to generate an animated movie out of images. Please write prompts for 3D images for each scene and characters. We already have prompts for our images. Now let's head over to Leonardo.ai. Click on AI image generation and paste the prompt. Choose the 3D animation style, select a 16:9 ratio and hit generate. Once the image is generated, upscale it and download it. Repeat this process for each scene to create stunning visual for our animated kids story. For the next image, copy and paste the prompt as before. Generate the image in 3D animated style and then upscale it before download. Repeat these steps to create a sequence of captivating images. Keep following this process to generate and download the images for our animated kids story. Once all the images are generated, let's move on Elevenlabs for the voiceover. Head over there, type our story, select an appropriate sound for the voiceover and click generate. Download the generated voiceover to add the final touch to our animated kids story. To animate our story, join Pikalabs Discord server, type /animate and click on image to upload the generated image. After uploading the image, copy the line from the story corresponding to the image and paste it as the prompt. Set the value with FPS 24, GS 15, motion 3. With these values, our animation is ready to go. To continue the animation process, type /animate, upload the image and use the same values FPS 24, GS 15, motion 3. To prepare the animation, click here to regenerate the animation and you will have a refined and visually appealing animated sequence ready for our kids story. Here click to regenerate the animation. Keep following these steps, upload your image and copy prompts with the specified values to create seamless animations. This straightforward process allows us to consistently generate and refine our animated sequences. When all the animations are ready, return to ChatGPT and type suggest me songs and tracks according to the above story for all the scenes from the YouTube library. Copy the first suggestion, head over to the YouTube library, paste it and download the song. Repeat this process for each scene and acquire the perfect soundtrack for our animated story. After downloading all songs, let's move to the CapCut for editing. Add the animation generated from Pikalabs, include the voiceover and also add the music for the first scene. Adjust the volume as needed, ensuring a perfect blend of visual, voiceover and music to create an engaging and impressive experience. For edit flair, incorporate transition and cool effects in CapCut. Enhance the video with the visual effects and click on text for the captions. Choose your text, utilize auto-caption and let CapCut do the rest. Once our animated story is perfected, we can simply download it for this final step. Now let's see how our animated story has come together with these easy and awesome steps.
Once upon a time in a bustling modern city, there lived a young boy named Jake, known for his adventurous spirit. One day, Jake stumbles upon an ancient map hidden in his grandfather's attic, revealing a mysterious jungle untouched by modern civilization. Excitement fills Jake as he embarks on a journey to find this hidden gem. With his trusty backpack and a quirky robot companion named Bite, Jake ventures into the heart of the dense, magical jungle. As Jake and Bite explore, they encounter talking animals, each with its unique personality. A wise old owl named Oliver becomes their guide, warning them of the jungle's challenges and secrets. Together, they navigate through whimsical landscapes, including a singing waterfall and a playful monkey village. Unbeknownst to Jake, an eccentric villain named Dr. Zortex is also after the jungle's magical treasures. Driven by greed, he unleashes mischievous robotic creatures to thwart Jake's progress. The jungle's inhabitants join forces with Jake to protect their home and its enchanting wonders. Throughout the adventure, Jake learns valuable lessons about teamwork, friendship, and the importance of preserving nature. With the help of his new friends, Jake outsmarts Dr. Zortex and his robotic minions, ensuring the jungle remains a haven for all its magical inhabitants. In the end, as Jake bids farewell to his jungle friends, he returns to the city with a newfound appreciation for nature and a heart full of unforgettable memories. The once modern boy now carries the spirit of the jungle within him, inspiring others to cherish and protect the wonders of the natural world.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, like the video and share it. Thanks for watching and get ready for the next exciting video.